Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to use VPN on your device. For this settings, you have to open Play Store on your device. After opening Play Store, you have to search Super VPN. Then you can see here the app, install it. After installing it, after clicking it, you can see here install it. After installing it, you have to open this app. After opening this app, click to allow, then disable optimization. Then you can see here connect option, click to connect, then click to OK. After clicking to OK, you can see the VPN will be connected to your device, and the VPN has been connected to your device, and here you can see the VPN has been connected. You can see here key icon. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.